Hey, what's going on, guys? Lewis Flame here, back bringing you another video. Well, guys, today I have for you guys, well, another Beyblade update. So, guys, right here is is where my 3D printed Beyblade currently stands. It's not yet done. There's still a few more things to add to it, but it's getting close to being ready to go. And once it's done, guys, it's going to become the most powerful Beyblade of all time. But let me go over how it's going to work. Essentially, guys, it's going to function a lot like Spriggan, or majority people in the US know, Spryzen. With dual rotation, as well as a lot of key components from Fafnir, such as rubber, it's going to have a lot of rubber along like the outer heads. And then, well, like Spriggan, in fact, it's going to use 2 parts of Spriggan. Such as the performance tip and Requiem slash Turbo disc. And then Astral Spriggan's driver is what it's going to use. And then I'm also going to use this to put on the disc. Because I just feel that it would suit it. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm going to be calling my Cho-Z Bay here, but I am going to, well, I am going to give you guys the colors. So, it's going to have red, yellow/gold, purple, and green. So, the eyes, they're going to be green. The center head, as well as probably the outer heads, are going to be red. The rubber's going to be purple. And then the part that's like underneath and or like the scales or whatever you want to call what's surrounding the center head is going to be yellow, as well as what's underneath the center head. And then obviously, like Spriggan, the part that's going to be switching, like the rotation, is going to be white. There's not going to be any color to it. As far as I know. I could be wrong with when I actually get the final product, which I will be paying for later this week, as Zandork Engineering normally accepts payment when the design is finished. That's what I've been told, but due to a lot of people backing out, they are asking for payment in advance, which, if I had known that would be the case, I would have paid them last week. Or rather, not this past week, but the week prior. But aside from that, guys, this is going to be going on my second channel. As well, this is going to be going on my second channel. The channel that I have named Blader Lewis. As that channel is finally up and ready to go. But I will also be putting out a notification to my Facebook page, notifying everyone that this video has been released. But aside from that, guys, there's not much more I have for you. Aside from, like, as you all can see, I'm not wearing my merch again, due to the fact I no longer have merch, as I'm no longer with 50 Zones. And it is reflecting on my YouTube channels, as I have decided to leave 50 Zones due to circumstances that I'm not going to get into. But I will be releasing over on my Twitch I will be putting out more Lego of the Lego Star Wars series, and then as a live stream, and then after that, it'll be exported to my main YouTube channel. So you guys can keep an eye out for that. Um, this channel is going to be more of a slower channel as it focuses a lot on Beyblade. And since I don't really have anyone to really join me in a lot of these videos on this channel, this channel's going to start doing battles later down the road when I actually get to the point of having someone present to help me with videos. And, well, aside from that, guys, it's all I really have for you all. So, until next time, peace.